Hello everyone, I'm Toby, your trusted real estate advisor in the beautiful Georgia mountains. Today I'm going to walk you through the process of inheriting real estate in Georgia. Inheriting property can be a complicated process, but with the right knowledge, you can navigate it with ease. Let's get started. The basics of inheritance are first, when you have a will, that is called a testate. So if the deceased left behind a valid will, it outlines how their assets, including real estate, should be distributed. The probate court will validate the will and assign an executor to oversee the distribution of the assets. The executor handles the distribution under the court's guidance, ensuring everything aligns with the descendants' wishes. Then second, without a will, which is called intestate, if there's no will, the situation results in intestacy. This means the court will seek eligible relatives and decide on the property's distribution. Priority is given to the spouse and children, then extended family members like grandchildren, parents, siblings, and so on. If there's no eligible family member, a competent family member might be chosen as an executor. Third, through a trust. Some properties may not go through probate if they were transferred into a trust. Assets within a trust are distributed according to the trust's terms. So, key factors to consider with inheritance. First, taxes. Georgia doesn't have specific inheritance taxes, but there are filings required for the descendant and the estate. Probate types. There are various probate forms in Georgia. With a will, you might encounter solemn form or common form probate. Without a will, processes like permanent administration or temporary administration come into play. Joint ownership. Inheriting jointly owned real estate can differ based on the property's title. It's essential to understand the difference between tenants in common and joint tenants with rights of survivorship. The former allows the deceased's interest to be part of the estate, while the latter transfers the property to the surviving owner. Time frame. The duration for ownership transfer to the heir can vary based on the estate's complexity and probate type. It might range from a few months to a couple of years. Can you believe it? But why use a realtor in this situation? First of all, expert guidance. We understand the local market and can advise on the best steps to maximize your inherited property's value. Smooth transactions. Selling an inherited property can be emotional. We ensure a seamless process from listing to closing. Maximizing profits. With our expertise, we can suggest minor improvements that can significantly boost your property's value. Navigating legal complexities. We collaborate with legal professionals to ensure you understand all legal obligations and implications. In conclusion, while inheriting real estate in Georgia can be a daunting process, understanding the basics and seeking professional help can make it more manageable. If you've recently inherited property or anticipate doing so, reach out to me and to a legal professional. We can guide you through the intricacies, ensuring you make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more real estate insights. Until next time, and dare to dream big.